guys, I hope you all had a great day. Welcome to my YouTube channel, All Things Crystal Nicole. On this channel, we will be discussing some of the things that I enjoy, whether it's home decor, luxury purses, shoes, some of the things that I enjoy in everyday living. And I'm sure a lot of you will share some of the same ideas and some of the same finds. So I figured, let's discuss it together. Well, today I received an item that I've been waiting for. It is the Louis Vuitton Takashi Murakami GM pouch. Now, I know many of you may have already received this, but I received mine in the mail today, and let me tell you, the anticipation has been dreadful. I am doing my first true unboxing. I wanted to open it as soon as it came today, but I decided, no, let's do it together. So this is my first true unboxing I am sharing with you guys, and I am excited. So let's get this bad boy open. You know, sometimes they make these sponsors a little difficult, or it may just be me and my anxiety. So we have our Louis Vuitton boxing. You see all of the pieces here. This is probably the receipt, shipping information. Here we are, guys. Let's get this box aside here, and we can move this. My first true unboxing. I'm excited, guys. Now, I have so many other designer pieces, but I never did a true unboxing. So I hope you enjoy this unboxing, as I am so excited, guys. Don't forget, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like and hit that subscribe button. I am, in the coming weeks, I will be doing reviews on a few other products that I have not shared. So those are some things I'm looking forward to sharing with you guys. Let's see here. Oh, I didn't have to press the button. I see a lot of other people was having some issues opening the button, but mine is open, so that's even better. Look at it, guys. Oh, wow. It looks a lot larger in person than I expected. Oh gosh, she is beautiful. Look at the details. She's gorgeous. She is gorgeous, guys. I love the colors. I will admit, I have never been a big fan of this light vachetta, but I love it on this piece. Now, as we all know, this is not a handbag. This is a cosmetic pouch. But honestly, guys, the size of this bag, your girl is going to make this a pouch, from a pouch to a handbag. I love the detailing, the gold with the white, and I was a little skeptical about ordering this piece because of the white. I usually wear a lot of my lighter handbags in the spring and summer months, but I think she can definitely be worn all year round. What do you guys think? She is beautiful. I am trying to see if D-rings can go. I was initially thinking of putting a D-ring here, but the stitch is very, very tight, and of course we don't want to ruin this piece, so we will have to put the D-rings in the crease here, because there's an opening here where the D-rings will definitely fit. Guys, I'm just amazed at how beautiful this bag is. Look at her. Oh my God. I will be handling her with care, again, because of the light vachetta. And a lot of people enjoy or prefer when their bags patina. I'm not a fan of that. I prefer the light than the darkness. I don't like the watermarks. So she will definitely be my baby that will be handled with special care. Give me a minute, guys. I'm going to run and get some of my handles, because I would like to see what she looks like with a handle on her. One moment. Okay, guys, I have returned, and I went ahead and attached some D-rings that I had in my accessories box. They were quite big enough. They're not as tight as I would like them, but I'll work on that later. And I did that off camera because I didn't want to hold you guys up. But they look pretty good. Let's see the inside of the bag. I'm trying to show you guys how much room. This is my first GM pouch. I have other PM pouches, but I have never been able to catch a GM pouch. So that's another reason why I'm so excited about this piece. Let's look how she looks. So let's see how she looks with some of the handles I have before I order any more, because your girl can do a accessory overload at times. I was trying to find some of the colors that are in the make of the bag. That pink would have been pretty, but I think she's a bit too small. Let's try the orange. Maybe give it a little pop. Well, it's not really orange in the bag. There's a little peachy color, but it's not really orange. I did want a color to give it a little pop. We'll try the red for now, just to see what she looks like. And I didn't want anything too big. The red is cute, but I think it will look good with maybe a pastel color. That pink would have been perfect. Yeah, that pink would have been perfect. So I may have to order I may have to order another color. But you know what? You can never go wrong with gold. Maybe I should just stick with the gold accessories. At least for now. And let's see what the gold looks like. I don't want it to look too plain. Actually, she's cute. I like that. I don't know. If I back up here. She's good with gold. Wearing it as an arm piece. That looks good. I do have another chain here. Look at that, guys. I think I'll tilt the camera down a little bit. Yeah, I think this may be better. Because I would like to be able to carry her as a shoulder bag. Or I can simply take one of the vachetta straps off my Speedy. If I take a vachetta strap off the Speedy, I'm sure that will look fine. But as I previously stated, I'm just not a big fan of the vachetta. So when I carry any of my bags that comes with the vachetta, I'm just always extra careful. There we are, guys. What do you think? I kind of like that because it's a little bit longer than the rope pieces. And she actually looks very classy. She looks very classy. I love this. I just wanted to get on tonight and do a quick overview. What do you guys think? Do a quick overview of this beauty. Yeah, she can definitely be worn with a longer strap to make her a shoulder bag. I like that. I may do another video comparing her, the size to the Speedy 25. Because this bag, this GM bag, can carry a lot. I would do another video with what fits in this pouch and comparing her to the Speedy 25. What do you guys think? Is she worth the conversion? Most definitely. She's definitely worth it. I was a little afraid that once I get her, I wasn't going to quite like her, but I am in love with this piece. Okay, guys, thanks for joining my channel tonight. I look forward to speaking with you all on a couple of other reviews and a couple of other products that I would like to compare to this bag. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a great evening, and remember to hit the like and subscribe button. See you guys soon. Bye.